Grant here from Kingfisher Bimini. We're going to run you through the instructions for assembling the Kingfisher Bimini with a white box. When you receive it, it should look something like this, with your aluminium fittings and then your boxes with your Bimini top, travel sock and your little components. That'll do. So we've got some printed instructions. If you want these instructions, and they are pretty handy to follow, you can find them on the website and just print them out yourself. But what we've done here is we've laid out the first lots of aluminium that you'll need. There's a number 4 red and then a 7. You can see the part numbers here and the colours. There's a green 1, 3, a 7 and a yellow 6. We've got the yellow 4, a 7, a 3, a green 1, a 7 and a red 6. And also from out of your little box of tricks there's a parts bag A, which has a lot of the knuckles in it. And if you get the parts bag B2 out, we'll start assembling these side frames. So we've opened up our bags, our part B2 and our knuckles, and we've pulled out these joining knuckles. They do have, it's very hard to see on here, but a little B and a little A printed on there. You want an A and a B matched up together. And you want to grab your nylock nuts, these guys here. Let's see how strong I am. Oh, pretty strong today. Just clip them in. And in fact, you can probably go through all of these and just push each one into place. But you'll also want, I didn't mention before, but you'll need your parts bag B1, and there's a shorter bolt in there. These two shorter bolts are what we want to join these guys together. Just before we join these together with our short bolts, let's place them on the appropriate poles. So we've got the number 1 here. So let's put part B onto number 1. Just snap that onto place there. And we'll put part A onto the number 3. That one's a little bit easier. So just before we join these two knuckles together, let's fit the stainless steel screw. If you rotate these over to the other side, you can see there's a pre-drilled hole here. We want to line this one up with the hole in the joining knuckle. Once you get that into place, you can screw that down. Now when you fit this, you just don't want to over tighten it. Stainless steel screws can be a little bit brittle, so you want to make sure you've got your drill set correctly so you don't snap it off. Put this one in. There we go. We've got our screws in place. Let's just rotate them back to the original position. We'll grab our short screws. We'll just pop them in finger tight from underneath. We can flip this over. And we simply do this up. That's that part done. Step is quite simple. We've got our little number 7 struts here. Let's add those on. So we'll get our longer bolts. We can just put them through finger tight from underneath. 2 of them. Flip that over again. and we can simply tighten that up. The next step will involve these two, your part 4 and your part 6. So you want to grab your bow knuckle. We've got these still hanging down over the edge of the table, so you just wanting to make sure you put the nylock nuts here in the same direction on all of these parts. This one here will just slide on. Just slide that on. If you feel under here there is a pre-drilled hole, so push that on roughly up to there. This one you can do the same for. Push that up to there. And then we can just spin that over. Exactly the same as the others, we'll line those up. Put our little stainless screw in. And it is worth tightening all of these up as you go. It's pretty easy to just forget one here or there if you're not a little methodical about it. I'll get this in. And we're ready for our final step. Now we just need to pop these bolts again through here. They can just be finger tight. And we'll head on down. We'll want 2 more bow knuckles. Make sure you keep that position the same all the way through. Slide them just onto these 2 bows. And then we'll grab our cam lever. Cam lever will go. Again, same as your bolts, they'll come up and under, and just thread them through loosely. Don't do them up too tight because we need this to be able to slide up and down the pole. That's your... Let's get that right. Get out of my light. There we go. We'll quickly, while we've got it there, we'll flip that over. Tighten these guys up. And then we've got this whole side of the frame ready. And we do exactly the same with these guys as we've done here. So we've got our 2 halves all joined together, and at each end of the table. You'll know that you've put these together right. It's worth just double checking this. You'll have your black clips, panel clips on the outsides of each of these. So just double check that. And if that's all correct, you can move these guys up onto the table. You want to get your next 3 posts. These would be your last 3 big posts. You've got a red 5, a green 2 and a yellow 5, and they are going to go onto these. The 5s will be the front and the back, the 2 will be in the center. If you have a little bit of silicone spray or something just to lubricate these, you only want a little bit on there. Just give these a little quick squirt. Okay, now we're finding our red dot, and our red dot, we want to put these together. Now it is critical, actually let's start with the 2, it's probably a bit easier to get right. So we'll use the green 2, which is the middle one. We've got a hole there. We want to make sure the orientation of these pre-drilled holes are exactly the same as this one. So it's critical when you slide this in that you get those lined up at the same angle. And with your what do we want? The red one down the bottom, they need to be at 90 degrees to these holes here. So you've got pre-drilled holes both ends. You want to turn them 90 degrees because they have to be facing the top when you stand this up. Same with this one. Put it through there. So when it will go up, it'll be facing the top. So we'll do the same down this end. We'll slide these guys in together. Okay. Can be a little bit fiddly. There we are. Okay. Once we've got all of those in, the next job will be pre-drilling our holes through here, but we might stand it up on our frame to show you how to do that.